Laws of logarithm are very useful tool to break down complex operations of multiplication and division into simple processes of addition and subtraction. We have 4 laws of logarithms. Let's get started with the proof of each one of them. The first law is that log of the product of two numbers m and n base a is equal to log of m base a plus log of n base a. Now on the right hand side there are two terms. Let us assume that the first term log of m base a is equal to x. Let log of m base a is equal to x and log of n base a is equal to y. And we are going to convert this logarithmic form into exponential form. That's why we have m is equal to a power x, and here we have n equal to a power y. Now once we have values for m and n, we will take the product m times n. This is equal to a power x times a power y. And we will use law of exponents, which states that the product of two exponents with the same base is equal to sum of the exponents with the same base. Like here we are using law of exponents and which states that a power x plus y. And what is on the other side? On the other side it's still m into n. If we change this exponential form into logarithmic form again, this will become log of m n with base a is equal to x plus y. And now you can place again the values for x and y. Log of m n with base a is equal to, what is log of x? What is x equal to? X is equal to log of m base a. Log of m base a plus y is log of n base a. This is proof of the first law of logarithms. Similarly, we can prove the second law. That is not hard. The second law states that logarithm of the quotient x over y base a is equal to log of x base a minus log of y base a. Means that logarithm of the quotient of two numbers is in fact equal to difference of the logs. In order to prove, we will use the same procedure. Let m equal to log of x base a and choose another variable n equal to log of y base a. We are going to use exponential form. Therefore, this is a power m equal to x, and here it's a power n equal to y. And now if we take the quotient x over y, that is equal to a power m over a power n. And if we remember, we can still use the law of exponents. This would become a power m minus n. Again, what we have done, laws of exponents. And here on the left hand side, this is x over y again. And if we convert this exponential form back into logarithmic form, this will become log of x over y base a is equal to m minus n, and we have value for m, that is log of x base a. Therefore, log of x over y base a is equal to log of x base a minus value for n is log of y base a. This is second law, and now we are going to prove the third law of logarithms. And third law of logarithm states that log of m power x base a is equal to x log of m base a. In order to prove this law, we will assume this right hand side log of m base a is equal to some arbitrary constant t. Let log of m base a is equal to t. If this is equal to t, then we change this into exponential form, and the exponential form will become a power t. Now we are going to raise both sides to power n, because here we want m power n. So raising both sides to m power n on this side and a power t whole power n on the other side, this will become m power n is equal to a power n t. This is, again, we are using laws of exponents. And here what we have is log of, if we change this into logarithmic form again, this will become log of m power n log base a is equal to n t. And now we can place the value for t. We have log of m power n base a is equal to n. Instead of t, we are going to place log of m base a. See, we have in all these three cases, we just prove these laws by using laws of exponents. And fourth law of logarithms is that log of x base y is equal to log of x base a over log of y base a. So now we assume, let log of x base y equal to t. Let log of x base y equal to t. And if we change this into exponential form, what would be exponential form? X would be equal to y power t. And now if we take log to the base a, because on the right hand side we want to involve log base a, if we take log on both sides to the base a, this will become log of x base a equal to log of y power t base a. And if we apply the third law of logarithms, this will become t time log of y base a, and on the left hand side we still have log of x base a, and if we find the value for t, the value for t would be equal to log of x base a divided by log of y base a, and we can put the value for t again, that was log of x base y. So log of x base y is equal to log of x base a divided by log of y base a. These are laws of logarithms, and we can use these laws to convert complex operations of multiplication and division into simple processes of addition and subtraction.